I became a dentist because when I was younger, I had very crooked teeth, and it really was uncomfortable for me to smile at people and to be confident with myself. And so after I had braces, I became a much more confident person. It changed my personality in a very positive way. My time with my family is the most valuable time for me all week long. Sometimes even the best times are just being together and playing outside. At Dental Partners, I feel like we are also a family. I spend as much time with my Dental Partners family as I do with my family at home. One of the most rewarding parts of my job is when I have a patient who's very nervous about going to the dentist, and we can talk them through the procedures and talk them through what we're doing and really work with them to overcome their anxieties. Most of the dental services that your family needs, we can provide at Dental Partners. We would not have to refer you to another dental office. I'm Dr. Amanda Merritt. I'm a dentist at Dental Partners of Southwest Georgia, and you can trust us with your smile.